Good morning, Tom. You are right on time.
Hello, Elena. I am excited to start the photo session.
The light in the park is perfect today.
I'm wearing my favorite blue t-shirt. Is it okay for the photos?
Yes, the blue color is very good for your blue eyes.
I am a bit nervous. I do not know how to pose.
Do not worry, Tom. Just be natural and smile.
I can do that. I smile a lot every day.
Let us start near these yellow flowers over there.
Should I look directly at the camera?
First, look at the trees, then look at me.
Like this? The sun is a bit bright.
Yes, that is perfect. 1, 2, 3, click.
Did I look okay in the first photo?
You looked great. Your smile is very kind.
I want these photos for my new travel blog.
People love to see a friendly face on a blog.
I want to tell stories about my garden and my trips.
We can take some photos with your tablet too.
Good idea. I have it in my backpack.
Let us move to the old bridge now.
The bridge has a very nice view of the river.
The background will be soft and green there.
I'm starting to enjoy this. It's like a game.
Photography is all about having fun, Tom.
Look, there's a small squirrel on the bridge.
Stay still. I will take a photo of you and the squirrel.
Smiling. This is going to be a very funny photo.
Got it. The squirrel is looking at you.
That is amazing. Let's see the result.
Wait, I need to use this reflector for your face.
What does this big white circle do?
It catches the sunlight and makes the shadows soft.
Now I feel like a professional model, Elena.
You are doing a very good job, Tom.
The light feels warm on my skin.
Now turn your head a little to the left.
Is this the correct angle for my face?
Yes. Now look down at your hands and then up.
I am thinking about my garden while I look down.
That is a great emotion. Your face looks very peaceful.
I love being outside in the fresh air.
It shows in the photos. You look very happy.
Can we take a photo while I am walking?
Yes, a dynamic shot is always interesting.
I will walk toward the big oak tree.
Go slowly. I'm using the fast shutter speed.
Walking? Am I moving too fast?
No, this is perfect. Keep walking and laughing.
This feels a bit silly, but I like it.
Silly moments make the best photos, Tom.
I can see the river behind me in the distance.
The blue of the water matches your t-shirt again.
You have a very good eye for colors, Elena.
Thank you. It is many years of practice.
How many photos did we take already?
We have about 50 photos in the camera.
Wow, that is a lot for one morning.
We will choose the best 10 for your blog.
Let us sit on the bench and look at them.
Look at this one. You look very strong here.
Oh, I like the colors. The grass is so bright.
And look at your eyes in this close-up shot.
They look very blue. Is that real?
Yes, it is the reflection of the sky and your shirt.
I look very professional. My friends will be surprised.
This photo with the squirrel is my favorite.
It is very cute. The squirrel looks like a friend.
I will edit the light a little bit on my computer.
Do you use special software for that?
Yes, I make the colors warmer and the lines sharper.
Can you remove the small leaf on my shoulder?
Of course, I can clean all the small distractions.
You are a digital magician, Elena.
Smiling. It is just a part of my work.
When can I see the final versions of the photos?
I will send them to your email this evening.
That is very fast. Thank you very much.
I want you to start your blog today.
I have the first story ready. It is about my new trees.
These photos will make your story very popular.
I am very glad I called you for this session.
It was a pleasure to work with you, Tom.
Do I need to pay you now or later?
You can pay me after I send the photos to you.
Okay, I have my card ready for the online payment.
Perfect. Let us take one last photo near the exit.
The one with the big welcome sign?
Yes, it's a great ending photo for your post.
I am ready. Let's do it.
Now, I want you to jump in the air.
Jump? In my jeans and t-shirt?
Yes, it shows your energy and your freedom.
Okay, I will try. 1, 2, 3, hop.
Perfect! I caught you high in the air.
I hope I didn't look too funny.
You looked like a hero in an action movie.
Maybe a very friendly hero in a blue shirt.
Now sit on this stone wall and look at the river.
Should I be serious or keep smiling?
Be serious now. Think about the future.
I am thinking about my garden next summer.
The light on your profile is very dramatic.
I feel very calm in this part of the park.
Silence and nature are the best for photography.
Do you take photos of many people here?
Yes, but every person is different and unique.
I am glad I am not wearing a formal suit.
Your simple style is very honest and real.
That is exactly what I want for my blog.
Tom's Real Life. That is a good name for a blog.
I like it. I will use that title.
We have one more location near the fountain.
The fountain has a lot of water droplets.
They will look like small diamonds behind you.
Let's go. I am not tired at all.
You have a lot of energy today, Tom.
It's a beautiful day. Why not be energetic?
Exactly. Let's finish with the best shots.
Follow me. I know the shortest path.
Stand here. The water is jumping behind you.
It is a bit cold near the water.
That is good. It makes your skin look fresh.
I can feel the small drops on my face.
Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the water.
It feels like a rainy day in summer.
This is a very artistic photo, Tom.
Now I will open my eyes and look at you.
Great. Give me a big, friendly smile.
This is my best welcome smile.
You are a natural talent for the camera.
Maybe I should change my job.
Stay a gardener. The world needs plants.
I agree. Plants don't ask for photos.
But they look beautiful in photos too.
Next time, we can take photos of my roses.
I would love to visit your garden, Tom.
It is very small, but it has a lot of heart.
Small gardens are the most beautiful ones.
I will prepare the best tea for you there.
I love fresh mint tea.
I have a whole pot of mint just for that.
We are almost finished with the session.
I feel like a different person now.
You are more confident. I can see it.
Photography is a good way to see yourself.
Yes, it is a mirror that shows your best side.
I am ready for the last photo of the day.
Let's do it near the park exit.
Lead the way, Elena.
We are done. Here is your memory card.
Thank you, Elena. It was a wonderful morning.
I will edit the photos and send the link tonight.
I will wait for your email with excitement.
You have about 10 perfect shots for the blog.
That is more than enough for my first post.
Remember to write short and simple stories.
I will write exactly how I feel about nature.
That is the best way to talk to your readers.
Do you want to see the photos one more time?
I will see them on my big monitor at home.
Okay, I am going to buy a coffee now.
Enjoy your coffee, Tom. You worked hard.
Would you like a cup of coffee too?
No, thank you. I must go to my office now.
I understand. You are a very busy person.
Every day is a new face and a new story.
Thank you for telling my story today.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.
I will send you the link to my blog tomorrow.
I will be the first person to read it.
Goodbye, Alina. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, Tom. Good luck with your project.
See you soon.
See ya. Come here, Tom. Let's look at the final photos on my big screen.
Wow, is that really me? I look so professional.
It is you, but I fixed the colors a little bit.
My blue t-shirt is very bright now. I love it.
Yes, I made the blue color deeper to match your eyes.
Why is the background so blurry in this shot?
It is called bokeh. It helps people focus only on you.
I see. And look at the squirrel. It is so sharp and clear.
That is my favorite photo. You look very kind there.
Can we make this photo of the bridge black and white?
Like this? It looks very classic now.
Yes, it looks like a scene from an old movie.
I am removing this small dry leaf from your shoulder now.
Digital magic. It disappeared in 1 second.
Now look at the fountain photo. The water looks like diamonds.
It is beautiful. Should I use this one for my profile picture?
Definitely. It shows your energy and your spirit.
How many photos are we keeping for the blog?
I selected 12 perfect images for your first post.
Is that enough to tell my story about the park?
It is perfect. Too many photos can be boring for readers.
You are right. Quality is more important than quantity.
I am saving everything to a folder called Tom's World.
Tom's World. I like that. It sounds like a big project.
It is a big project. You are a blogger now, Tom.
I am a bit nervous about the comments online.
Don't be. These photos show the real, friendly you.
Thank you for working late to finish this, Elena.
It was fun. Now let's prepare the website for tomorrow.
I am ready. Let's make it live in the morning.
Alina, look! I am opening the website on my phone right now.
Wow, Tom! The design of your blog is very clean.
And your photos look amazing on the main page.
Your first story is called My Blue World and My Green Garden.
Yes, I wrote about our session and the nature in the park.
Look at the photo with the squirrel. People are already leaving comments.
What a friendly guy. Great photos.
You see, I told you people would love your smile.
I have 20 new followers in only 10 minutes.
That is a very successful start for a new blogger.
I am very happy. My dream is finally becoming real.
Now you must post something new every week to keep them.
I will take photos of my flowers at home with my phone today.
Remember the rules about the light and the angles I showed you.
I will use your 45-degree rule for the sun.
You are a real student of photography now, Tom.
I am wearing the same blue t-shirt for good luck today.
It is your brand now, the guy in the blue shirt.
I like that name. It is simple and easy to remember.
I am very proud of your progress. You look very confident.
I want to say thank you again. I couldn't do this without you.
It was a great adventure for me too. I love your energy.
Let's take a selfie together for the blog right now.
Okay, but I'm usually behind the camera, not in front.
1, 2, 3. Smile, Elena.
That is a very nice memory for us.
I will post this as my special thanks to my photographer story.
I will follow your blog and read every single word.
Goodbye, Elena. My blue world is waiting for me.
Goodbye, Tom. Happy blogging and happy gardening.